Hey friends, if you wish to check whether your computer supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi or not, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the best way is to simply check it using this command, which is net shwlan show drivers. I will share it in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. Okay, I'll expand this window so that you can see better. Now, in the field for radio type supported, it should support 802.11n, 802.11 AC, or the AX1. So other standards are the lower standards and they might not be supporting 5G, but these ones definitely do. So this is one method. And the second one is to simply click on your Wi-Fi symbol here and then check your Wi-Fi networks. Does it support 5G? Well, if your router has a 5G network and it is showing here, then it definitely supports 5G. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.